do Chase Me by Nilufer Yanya. This song, the chords of the song are B minor, G, and E minor. She's not playing those like cowboy chords like that, but you certainly could do that. It would sound like. Okay, that's not the sound she has though. I think on some parts of it, I think she's just playing. And what these are like two note, the power chords. Like this is a B power chord, except we're playing it on the 4th fret, and you just play D and G. And you pull off, and you just play the open G and D. And now we're going to do the same on the, this is going to be on your A and D strings. But it's just a B power chord, or B5, G5. And see, because it's just the root and the 5th note, you don't have to worry about them being minor or major. They work over both. But what's unusual about these is the B is the high note. Like so, it's the 5 is the lower note. On all 3 of those, the root is the higher note, which gives it a different sound. I've got some compressor on, and I've got I'm using like a simulation of a Roland jazz chorus amp with some very light chorus effect on it. So I think for the verses, that's what you play. And then for the kind of like, she goes to like almost like a chorus. It's still the same chord progression. This is what I was playing at the beginning. So it's a B minor 7. And then you leave this finger here, and you just rearrange your other fingers, play a G major 7. And then go down for a B, a muted E minor. Don't let them ring. You're just kind of like hitting up. You're still playing a power chord on that one. And then like in the intro, that's what they're playing, except they go to a E minor up here. It's at the 7th fret. So like in the intro, they're going up. So, and I think at the very end they do that too. And then for the, there's a little breakdown section. I don't know if you'd call it a chorus, but it's a B minor 7 to G major. And then at the end, it goes to E minor. And then it goes back into the... Now, a cool way to play that, and we'll talk about this, we're going to play a B minor here at the 7th. And then we're going to play a G major 7 here at the 5. But you see, this finger, these 3 notes stay the same in both chords. And that's how you get that smooth kind of guitar that she has. It's called, the concept is called note constancy. So we're just changing like 1 or 2 notes. So that's like kind of like what's happening with her guitar playing, why it sounds so smooth. And sometimes it's almost blends in totally because that's the type of thing she's doing. And oh, I am using my neck pickup too. And even going to the E minor 7 at the end of that little break section, if you play it up here, you're still getting some of the same notes. That's like a jazz concept, note constancy. It just means if you can keep certain notes exactly the same through the chord changes, you do that. Okay, thanks for that request. Have fun playing it. Bye.